Finding a home with comfort, convenience, and long-term value can be a challenge, but this house checks all the boxes.
Let's go inside and have a look around. Check out this enormous family room. This is one of the things that makes this house so great. You can either move in, start enjoying the home, and refurb things as you go, or refurb it now and then move in.
This is more than just a house. It is a smart investment in comfort, convenience, and long-term potential.
So when opportunity knocks, don't wait. Schedule your tour today.